Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create your own custom lehenga set from Amazon just by mixing and matching a few different pieces. I know it's really difficult to find a good ready-made lehenga set online. A fully stitched one is not always available, and even if it is, sometimes the skirt is not nice, the blouse is not well fitted, or there is some issue with the dupatta. And most of the times the unstitched ones that you get, to be honest, are not the best. Especially it's really difficult to find a good lehenga under a budget. But you can simply create your own custom lehenga just by picking up pieces from here and there, mixing them up, and you'll have an amazing outfit. Then you can accessorize it with some jewelry and maybe a nice clutch bag, and you will have the most amazing look for your friend's wedding or for any wedding or festive occasion. And you can also create a look like this for your own engagement. So the outfit that I have created is under 3,500 rupees. I know it's not very affordable, but if you go to buy a set like this, it will cost you at least 5,000 rupees, and I'm sure you won't be happy with everything. So if you want to know what the outfit looks like, please continue watching. Whatever outfit you're looking to create, it always helps to have a color scheme in mind, otherwise you will be completely lost, because there are so many different options to distract you. But if you do not have like a clear color in mind, then you can also start by selecting one piece from your outfit that you want to keep like the focus of the outfit, and then build the rest of the outfit around it. Like for me, I did not have any clear color in mind, but I always knew I wanted to create something that has like a royal feel to it. So I had colors like navy blue and then emerald green in mind, and then I spotted this amazing lehenga skirt and I built the rest of the outfit around it. According to me, the most important part of a lehenga set is the skirt, and I wanted to get a really nice Banarasi skirt, but everything was really expensive. And then finally I found this one. So this is the skirt that I got. I cannot show you the entire thing, but you'll have a better idea once I get to the try on part. So this is a beautiful green lehenga skirt that I got, and it has this golden zari work all over. It has so many panels and it has an amazing flare. This golden work that you see is not foil print, it's like golden zari that is woven into the material, and it's not any print. The fabric looks so rich and elegant, like you can see. It reflects light and it looks gorgeous. This is how the skirt looks like. The only drawback is that if you are petite like me, I'm only 5'2", so this one is going to be really long. You will definitely need to wear really high heels or get it altered by your tailor. You can take the waist down a little bit, and that way you won't be compromising on the design as well. I paid around 1,400 rupees for it, and for the price, this is an amazing piece. It looks so nice. This is from the brand AKS Couture. I have tried their kurtis before, but it was the first time that I got a lehenga skirt from them, and I'm so happy with the quality. I think they have really nice exclusive pieces. You can definitely check them out. So this is how the skirt looks like. Since the skirt is so gorgeous, I wanted to get like a plain blouse. So I got this plain velvet blouse from a brand called Amira. So this is how the blouse looks like. It's a velvet material and it's in a green color. I wanted to get a plain blouse so that my jewelry could shine. But what is special about this blouse is the back. The back is in a net material, and this is how it looks. It has a few rhinestones and it has only one button down here. It also has this tie-up detail which is of good quality. You also get a lot of extra margin in this blouse. I wanted to wear a lot of nice jewelry, so I wanted to get a plain blouse but of very good quality. So this one is of amazing quality. It is a bit expensive, but I think if you are looking for a good blouse for a special occasion, you can definitely go for it. You can wear this with saris as well. So this is the blouse that I got and I really like it. It also has cuffs attached. The fit is really nice. I'm definitely going to style it in so many of my videos. The last thing is a dupatta. So I got this really nice dupatta from Amazon, and this is how it looks like. It's a simple green color dupatta and it has this golden zari work. This is how it looks. It's sort of sheer, and I'm so surprised, but this one goes perfectly with the lehenga skirt and the blouse. I think this ties the look together, and this is how it looks. This one was really affordable. I think I got it for 300 rupees and the quality is quite nice. It's like a cotton silk blend fabric and it's not stiff. It has that shine to it. I hope you can see. I'll show you the complete outfit. So for jewelry, I'm wearing this gorgeous green meenakari and kundan choker necklace. I'm also wearing my polki studs, a kundan statement ring, my kundan bangles and this mang tika. Carrying this absolutely gorgeous bag with green rhinestones and pearls to complete the look. All the accessories are complementing the outfit so beautifully. I can of course use all the items individually as well, like this dupatta will look so nice with the kurta that I'm wearing in this video. So I can team it up with a lot of different things. So I can use the items together like a set or use them individually and pair them with some of my other clothing pieces to create new looks. My main motive was to highlight any one particular item in my outfit. So I went for this royal looking lehenga skirt and kept the blouse and the dupatta simple. If you're creating a lehenga set, then you can either focus on the skirt or the blouse, go for an elaborate skirt or go for a very embellished and decorated blouse. That way the outfit will be well balanced. Also, I wanted to create a monochrome outfit, so I went with sort of similar shades of green, but you can also choose colors that complement each other in your outfit. So that is how easy it is to create an outfit. I picked up all of these different pieces from different brands and put them together, but it looks amazing. Doesn't look like different pieces that I have put together to create this outfit. If you do not want to buy like different accessories with your outfit, then you should always keep in mind the kind of jewelry and accessories that you already have and build the outfit accordingly. So that is how I created a lehenga set using different pieces from different brands, and I have the most amazing outfit. Let me know if you like it. Also let me know if you want me to make other videos like this. I can also create like a sharara set using items from different brands, and let me know if you want me to make more of these videos. So that is it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It will really help me a lot. You can also follow me on all my other social media. I'll have the links in the description box. You can also check out other videos on my channel right here, and I'm sure you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.